be doing a comparison between the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe and the 2023 Hyundai Tucson to see which one could probably be the best one for you. Let's start off with the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Hyundai is calling it a modern adventure SUV. It's a compact SUV, which is a highly contested market here in the United States, and we're also looking at its bigger brother, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Now there are a lot of similarities between the two of these, but there are a few differences that you might want to note. Let's start. So the Hyundai Tucson starts around $26,000 and offers a myriad of trims. Now there are a bunch of engines that can come in the Tucson. So there's the gasoline engine, the hybrid, and then there's the plug-in hybrid. So first off, the regular non-hybrid gets about 32 miles per gallon highway, and the all-wheel drive, what Hyundai calls the H-Track, gets 28 miles per gallon highway. Now if you bump up to the hybrid, which is only a few $1,000s more, you actually get 37 miles per gallon combined. And if you want to go with the plug-in hybrid, say you work, 10, 15 miles away from work, you can do that all on electric charge, as this has 33 miles of all-electric range, which is pretty neat. I like the styling of the front and rear, especially the taillights. It looks different than most SUVs on the road. And I also like that the rear wiper is hidden, giving it a very, very clean look, because a lot of rear wipers are just kind of sitting out there in nowhere's land. So there are a lot of models of the Tucson, but the basic Tucson comes with a 187 horsepower, 2.5 liter non-turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This gets you the 8-inch color touchscreen display audio and also wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, rear occupant alert, and LED headlights. However, if you bump up, you get yourself a Bose stereo, a hands-free smart liftgate with auto open, which is super convenient,